Hi, and welcome to the playlist with relaxing music for effortless sleep. So I compose this music specifically for you to help you to let go of the stresses and strains of the day and to make it easier for you to shift into a calmer, more relaxed state of being that's going to make it so much easier for you to fall asleep naturally and effortlessly. Just like the other practices in this YouTube channel, you can use this at different times. You can use it during the wind down period, the brief period before you go to sleep and you're letting go of everything you were concerned about during the day. If you wake up in the middle of the night, you can use it to help you get back to sleep. And you can use it during the day to take a short, refreshing break to let go of all your worries and concerns, at least for a few minutes. So here's a few tips to make the music most effective for you. First of all, it's really going to be much more powerful if you listen through earbuds or headphones. Okay, this is a little hard to explain. I want to evoke um, the powerful effects that can happen when you learn how to do this. Ultimately, it's going to make much more sense when you learn this practice in the context of the whole course. But just for now, here's what it's like. You start out, maybe you're lying down or sitting quietly, and you have this kind of willingness. Just let your body release tension. You're not trying to relax. You're not forcing yourself. You're allowing it, allowing the music to soak in and do the relaxation for you. When you do this, you'll find tension is melting away on its own. Your breath is naturally slowing down. You're not trying to make something happen. You're just letting the sound wash over you and kind of bathe you in its vibrations, not to be too woo-woo. Um, you're going to feel this, and the words won't have the power to convey what it's like. When you get a sense like it's almost like the music is just like coming into your body and relaxing it for you. Okay, so you can find out more information about these and other practices in our online course, From Restless Nights to Effortless Sleep, in the description below the video. And I hope to see you soon in the conversation lounge of our course.